have a mess today.
Where? I just shut it. You don't see nothing.
They got the new dishwasher all installed. The only thing that Steve has to do is get the trim to go around it. So we are going to get it loaded with a few dishes that we have, because actually all the dishes over here are clean, and these were the...
I'm washing them anyway.
These are the drawers that were taken out, and all that stuff over there is just cleaning stuff I had underneath the sink. So yeah, we're going to check it out and see how it does.
I ain't used a dishwasher for a while.
Yeah, not in many years.
Just set them in here, I guess.
Alright, it's running. And we don't even have the trim up, and it is quiet. See there? That all has to have trim along the top and this whole side.
And then along the bottom too,
Yeah.
I gotta trim in.
Wow, nice. Oh, you can barely hear. Listen. Did you hear it? That's great. All right, so now that we got that done, I've got all of the kitchen to get cleaned up, and
Yeah, I'm well rest for a little
yeah,
bit.
you deserve a break, sweetheart.
Oh, so we're going to McDonald's?
No, I don't think so. Hi everyone. So the reason that it was so important to us to have a dishwasher to be quiet is because we live in a small house, and as you guys know, the kitchen, dining room, living room, everything's pretty much open, and we did not want to have to try to yell in a conversation over top of the dishwasher. So that was one of the things that I really looked into. So like I said in the little clip before, once we get that trimming and stuff put in, geez, we're not going to hardly even be able to hear it. So that is awesome. I want to thank you guys for all of the new subscribers that we have gotten. I hope that we can give something for you guys all that you're going to enjoy. We've been at YouTube. This is our 3rd year, and we have had great times where our health has been great and we have filmed every day. And then there's times, since I had an open heart surgery in October of 2019, since then I have battled a little bit more, but I'm starting to feel a little bit stronger, in hopes that I can give you guys some quality videos that everyone's going to enjoy. So, but I did want to share about the dishwasher. This house, actually my mom and dad bought this house in 1983, wasn't it, Steve?
Yeah, no, 84.
84?
When we started dating.
Okay, yeah, Dad and Mom bought this house in 1984. Steve and I got married in 1985. And we've lived in lots of different places, but when my dad passed away 4 years ago, my mom remarried, and she gifted this house to us because Steve and I had both been through a lot of health problems, and she wanted us to have something that was paid for and to help us out. And what a blessing that has been. You have no idea. I always considered this my home. I've always loved this little house, and so I hope that you guys will enjoy getting views of it and watching our videos. I wanted to share the new shirt that I got at Rural King. I think it was last week, but I think you can see it all. Isn't that awesome? That is the perfect shirt for me. Yeah. All you need is Jesus and chickens. So I'm going to get in there and get that kitchen cleaned up, and I'm hoping that we're going to be able to start some more cooking shows, some more videos for you guys. I know a lot of you love that. So fingers crossed that that's going to happen, and it's going to be so much easier for me to be able to cook and not have to constantly, you know, as you guys know with health issues, I've been having to sit in a chair and to do dishes. And it's going to be nice to be able to just load that up and let it take care of itself. And when we're canning, I told Steve we had a dishwasher where we used to live, and we had it for like a year before we moved. And it was so wonderful to wash all my jars in. And I thought that is going to come in handy when we start canning again this year. It's going to be nice. Put that on that Sani Clean, and it's going to sterilize them and going to make my job a whole lot easier. And at my age, I'll be 57 next month. It's all about changing the way that we do things. Still working and still getting things done around the house, but doing it in a way that you're not hurting yourself. So I'm all about finding little shortcuts. So stick around. I'll share them with you when I find them. So I'm going to try and come out here and get the medicine on a couple of the hens. I ordered those chicken saddles, but they're not going to be in until the middle of February. And I don't want the chickens to go that long. Looks like a lot of them are already in the coop. All right, girlfriends. Mama's got some medicine. There's a couple of you that's in pretty bad shape. Not bad.
Well, I know, but
I'll shut this door when you do. Okay. Honey, can you get it right there?
yep. Ooh. Well, you didn't shut the door.
No, I didn't. Ah, get out of here. Would it be easier in there?
Probably, because you can't run as far then.
Okay. I'm just letting that go. Oh, really?
And coop needs cleaned out, too.
Yeah, we're gonna have to go get some.
Get some flock fresh.
We're gonna have to.
Yeah, I will.
Let me check check to see if any of them's got. I think she was the only bloody one. Okay, we got her done. Anybody else got any red showing? Huh? I don't see none. The rest of them look like they have got, their feathers are worn, but they don't have any red.
I don't think you're going to get her.
There we go. Okay.
Romeo's like, what are you guys doing?
Good. Good girls.
All right, Romeo, we're done.
Ooh, he's not happy.
No, he's not.
He doesn't
We were
like
messing with
us
his
bothering
women.
his girls.
Look, they're all
he's...
pecking at it. Are they supposed to peck at it?
No, it's supposed to be peck no more.
Well, they might not after they taste it once, because they're
Yeah,
kinda
he's
like,
wiping his lip.
so is she. She pecked it off her own back, and then she was like, ah.
Okay. Oh, she's in there. Here's the stuff all over her back. It's purple.
Is there any eggs under there? Look out. Look out.
Got one?
Yeah, that's it.
Okay.
I got 3, well, 4.
And then
The other
two.
one's laying out there where I dropped it and had to throw it out real quick.
And then they broke one.
Yeah,
So that's
5.
5 of them. Well, it's not bad. It's cold today, so.
Yeah.